So you might be wondering, can you share a hotspot Wi-Fi connection on the iPhone? And let me explain it in this proper way. So no, officially, iPhone cannot share a Wi-Fi connection through a hotspot without the use of a cellular data. You need to have the cellular capabilities from your carrier in order to be able to create a hotspot that other people can connect to as a Wi-Fi. So the device which you are probably looking for is one called Wi-Fi extender. That is, a specific device which you can plug into a wall and that can connect to your original Wi-Fi and extend the coverage into various other areas. The iPhone unfortunately cannot do this, not because it wouldn't physically be able to. The Wi-Fi chip inside of the phone would be able to set up like these two-way sharing ways, but it just doesn't work through the iOS limitations. Some Android devices and even like older, jailbreak tweaks were supporting this, but it's not really a case anymore. So this is the explanation video. Hopefully I gave you the answer that you were kind of like hoping to get. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and let me know below by hitting the thumbs up, but also subscribe so you never miss videos like these in the future. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.